Hi guys, in this video I will tell you how can you integrate service M8 in your GHL. So first of all, go to your agency level and from menu select library of marketplace, and from app select search for service M8. After click on install, it will redirect a pop-up, and in this pop-up, if I want to install this application on all the location, then I will click on it, and if I want to install on specific location, then I will select the location from there. So in my case, I will want to install it from all the location, so I will click on it and check on both and click on proceed. So it's will install the application on all the locations. Okay, so let's open our locations. For example, in my case, I will open the Gulfarm location, and I will search the app that I will recently install. So it's service I made. For configure this application, I will click on the configure button, and this is by email and password that I will put there from previous. It is this one. So after click on submit, my credentials are saved successfully. Now it is integrated in my GHL and I will use it. So for using it, I will go to the automation page. From automation page, I will create workflow if we want, or if I use existing one, simply I will search it from there. I will use the use of testing. Yeah, this workflow is open successfully. For adding the service M8 action, I will click on the plus button. I will search service M8 there. So there are all the action of service M8. So there are all the action of service M8. I will use, for example, create client. So after click on create client, it will tell me about that client name. For example, it test and its address and his city and his country. Okay, I will save the action. So action is create client action is implemented. So this is how you can use the service embed if you want to add another action. So I will click on this. So I will add the another action with client get client. So I will use their client ID. For client ID, I will click on it, and from service embed, this is the last action that I will create it. So here I get the ID, and I will use the UID for get client and save change. So in that case, this action also will work. Okay, thank you.